Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video where today it's kind of a different kind of video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own PornHub intro, like the PornHub intro but with what you want for the text. Like this is the one I came up with so far. And then I just had that fade out because I wanted it to last longer. But basically, so yeah, if you're here, that's what you want. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google Chrome. So you're going to want to search this on YouTube. And you're going to find this video right here, Easy After Effects. And this doesn't show you how to make your own, but it shows you how to make like the actual one. And it's like 30 minutes long, so this is way easier. So all you're going to do is go into the their website, or right here, or not, template right here. And then it's going to load, and then you're going to want to click this thing right here, and it'll start downloading. So yeah, then you'll get it, and then you'll get a zip file. So I already have it. Where is it? I'll just redo it. So I'm going to show in Finder. Then I'm going to open it. Okay, open the folder, and what we're going to find is the PornHub intro.aep. We're going to go ahead and, we're going to open this with After Effects. Okay, so we're in now. This is what it should look like. I just zoomed in a little bit. So what you're gonna want to do is stretch this out all the way, and you're gonna want to take your this, whatever the fuck it's called, and you're gonna want to go to the part where it's just like all laid out right here, and then you're gonna want to take your select tool and select this. You're gonna want to write whatever you want in there. So alright, suck, I guess. I'm gonna move all this out of the way so it's easier to select the orange. And then we should be able to take that out. We're gonna go SUCC. We're gonna move this one back in there, just right where it should go. This might be kind of tough. So now that that's in there, now I'm gonna move my P back. Fuck. Okay, well basically what you're gonna want to do with you're gonna have to do with every single letter that you put in. You're gonna have to morph all these little boxes to fit over the letter. So I probably shouldn't have picked S because it's kind of a hard letter to do. This is not as hard as it seems. You just have to put these on the outline of the whole letter, and then you're pretty much done. Okay, so now it should be all good. So that's we got this part done. Now we got to focus on the hub, which is really easy, but whatever you have in this box can only be 3 letters, because well, it's not going to be all L's, but like more of 3 is going to look stupid. So I just suggest something with 3 letters, like gay something. I don't know, what should I write? Okay, so I have this in here that kind of looks bad. So now that I have this in here, I'm gonna go to community, and that one's really easy. You just take your select tool, select it, double click, and then backspace, and then type whatever you want. You don't have to put a space in between each letter, it does that already. Okay, then you just write that in, and you should be good to go. And if you don't like the way that these are really close together for you, you can click your select tool and then click this box, and you can just move it wherever you want. So if I want to move mine farther, I move it right here, and it would end like this, which looks fine, honestly. Yeah, looks fine. So yeah, I mean, there you go, you have it all done. All you need to do now is hit composition, add to render queue, then you're done. I'm not going to do that because it's going to fuck up my whole computer with the recording, but when you're done, it's just going to look something like this. And again, I made mine longer after the audio faded out. I just extended the image a little bit and then faded it out so like people could actually read it, because it's the real one is really fast. I think it looks like 3 seconds long, which is really short for an intro. And then it's over. Like, that's how fast it is. So I just extended mine a little bit. It's not that hard. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.